Welcome to Best Choice. The best Lego Mjolnir is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after collectibles for any Marvel fan or Lego enthusiast, offering a unique blend of intricate building experience and a display-worthy piece that captures the might and majesty of Thor's legendary hammer. This isn't just a toy, it's a statement piece, a testament to detailed design, and a fun challenge for builders of all skill levels, promising hours of engaging construction and a satisfying final product that will undoubtedly be a conversation starter in any room. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Unbox a detailed cafe studio set, complete with all 6 main characters and Gunther. Roleplay your favorite scenes with cool accessories included for endless fun. This 1070-piece collectible toy offers a truly rewarding building experience. It's the perfect gift for adult fans who love to build solo or share the fun. Compatible with existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. Create your own unique mashup models and tell your own stories with this versatile set. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful set makes a big impression. Display it proudly in any room or office. What we like. This set brings the beloved Central Perk Cafe to life with incredible detail. It includes all the main characters and iconic furniture, perfect for recreating memorable scenes. If you're a die-hard Friends fan looking for a display piece that sparks joy and conversation, this is the one for you. What people say. With 1070 pieces, this set is packed with intricate details and fun references that perfectly capture the charm of the Central Perk Cafe. The build process was enjoyable and engaging, with clever design techniques that bring the famous coffee shop to life. The set includes 7 minifigures: Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, each with unique accessories that reflect their characters perfectly. Number 4. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Recreate the legendary Infinity Gauntlet with this detailed LEGO set. It features the iconic glove with vibrant infinity stones and a display stand. This golden glove perfectly captures the captivating style of Marvel Studios' Avengers movies. It's an impressive homage to Thanos' power. With movable fingers and vibrant colors, this model is a timeless display piece. It's designed to be the center of attention in any room. This building set offers an iconic decor piece for your office or home. It's sure to draw admiring comments from anyone who sees it. Make a great gift for any Marvel fan or model-making enthusiast. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or as a personal treat. What we like. Capture the power of the Infinity Gauntlet with this stunning LEGO replica. The golden finish and movable fingers make it a truly impressive display piece. If you're a Marvel enthusiast or a fan of Thanos' epic saga, this set offers a unique way to showcase your passion. What people say. The assembly is around 12.5 inch tall. Great design with a shiny look. The fingers can move, which is pretty cool. With its shimmering gold bricks and an array of vibrant infinity stones, this set is the epitome of eye-catching beauty. The instructions were really simple to understand as the blocks were color-coordinated to match what I was constructing and not black and white. The golden pieces shine beautifully, and the display stand gives it a real, collector's item vibe as the brightness reflects off any light. Number 3. LEGO City Great Vehicles Holiday Camper Van 60283. Embark on a fun-filled vacation with this amazing camper van toy. It features an opening side panel and a removable roof, perfect for imaginative play. This set comes with mom, dad, and baby minifigures, along with a cozy interior. You'll find a table, kitchenette, and a sleeping area ready for your journey. Included accessories like a baby carrier, camping stove, and picnic essentials will enhance your roleplay adventures. Don't forget the croissant and smoothie. Drive to your dream destination, set up camp, and enjoy a delightful family picnic. The possibilities for outdoor fun are endless. With a helpful printed guide and access to the free LEGO Building Instructions app, building is a breeze. Get ready for hours of creative fun. This toy car is an ideal birthday or Christmas gift for boys and girls aged 5 and up. It sparks imagination through realistic play scenarios. What we like. Embark on a virtual family vacation with this charming camper van. It's packed with realistic details like a kitchenette and sleeping area, plus fun accessories for imaginative play. If you're looking for a delightful set for younger builders that encourages storytelling and role-playing, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The details are incredible, from the opening roof and doors to the fun little accessories like the mini camping stove and coffee cups. The set has a nice balance of fun construction and playful interaction, making it a well-rounded choice for kids who enjoy both building and creative play. Great little Lego set with lots of small intricate pieces and details. As always with Lego, great quality and easy to assemble. Number 2. Lego Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75192. Prepare to embark on an epic building adventure. Construct the largest Lego Star Wars Millennium Falcon ever created. This ultimate set is perfect for adult fans and expert builders, offering hours of creative play or a stunning display piece. Bring your creation to life with classic characters. This incredible model includes Han Solo, Chewbacca, Princess Leia, and C-3PO. You'll also find minifigures from Star Wars Episode 7-8, including older Han Solo, Rey, and Finn. Explore a richly detailed interior. Inside, you'll discover a main seating area, a holographic game table, and an engineering station. Recreate scenes with the interactive elements, including escape pod hatches and a hyperdrive engine room. Admire the meticulously crafted exterior. Removable hull panels reveal hidden details, and the cockpit features a detachable canopy. You can even swap out the sensor dishes for a customized look. This magnificent model measures over 8 inches high, 33 inches long, and 22 inches wide. It's designed for display, making it a perfect addition to any home or office. Reveal its hidden blaster cannon or special breathing mask decorations with simple panel slides. What we like. This is the ultimate Lego Star Wars experience, a colossal Millennium Falcon with an astonishing 7,541 pieces. It boasts an incredibly detailed interior and exterior, complete with 2 crews of iconic minifigures. If you are an expert builder or a dedicated Star Wars aficionado seeking the pinnacle of displayable Lego models, this set is unparalleled. What people say. The level of detail is what really makes this set special. There is so much packed into the design, from the outer hull plating and structure to the interior sections and recognizable features throughout. The build itself is very satisfying. It is a long project, but in a good way. It feels substantial, immersive, and rewarding from start to finish. The model looks amazing from nearly every angle, has huge display value, and really feels like a love letter to one of the most iconic ships in movie history. Number 1. Lego Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed Lego brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic ship from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. Bring your favorite characters to life with included minifigures of the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the Child. An IG-11 droid figure is also included for more action. This starship is ready for adventure, featuring a dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod. It's designed for exciting play. Easily access the interior through opening side boarding ramps. Inside, discover carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area for your journeys. Recreate thrilling battles from the series with the included weapons. Join the Mandalorian and the Child as they face off against the Scout Trooper and other adversaries. This amazing collectible set is an ideal birthday present or any-day gift. It's perfect for Star Wars fans, boys, and girls aged 10 and up. What we like. Journey through the galaxy with the Razor Crest, the iconic starship from The Mandalorian. This set features a detailed model, essential minifigures including the exclusive Child, and exciting play features like spring-loaded shooters and an escape pod. If you're a fan of The Mandalorian and want to recreate thrilling space battles, this is the perfect set for you. What people say. The build is ingenious, the cockpit and the engines being particularly well done and exciting to consider in building and viewing. The ship itself is very sturdy and very detailed for its size. It's like a mini UCS set, making it a great display for adults. It's also still awesome as a toy. The interior is very functional with space for Mando to sleep, a roomy 2-seat cockpit, storage for 3 extra missiles, a little play space, 2 slots for the captured bounties, plus an area to store extra weapons behind the cockpit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.